beautiful points about nature. Nature is everywhere. Nature is everywhere. Nature is every you go. Everything that lies and grows is nature. Animals, big and small. Nature is plants that grow to tall. Nature is beautiful in every way, wonderful, exciting, and needs our care. So listen, learn, and do your part to keep nature beautiful forever. Nature is everywhere. Nature, everything is nature. God gave us this feature. Birds fly in the sky, and mountains are so high. Nature Nature is what we see. Nature is what we see. The hill, the afternoon, squirrel, eclipse, the bumblebee. Nay, nature is heaven. Nature is what we hear. The bubbling, the sea, thunder, the cricket. Nay, nature is harmony. Nature is what we know, yet have no art to say. So important our wisdom is to hear simplicity. Nature is what we see. The sun looks bright. The sky is full of light. The stars are shining. The moon is smiling. Nature is full of joy. Nature, please do not think it a toy. Do not play with it. Please, please save it. Nature is everywhere. How did you like this video? Do express your opinion by commenting. Your comment will be helpful for me in making more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.